Hey guys, so we're gonna cut this open today, see what's inside. This is a little bracelet you kind of get when you go into Flanders Field Museum. So it says here, in Flanders Fields Museum. It's a little bit of barbed wire there as well, and that's meant to be a poppy. So this is in Belgium, and yeah, it's basically a museum that tells you all about World War One, specifically Ypres. That's where we got it. So yeah, I'm just going to cut it open. You get these bracelets when you go into the museum and you walk around. I think it interacts with different exhibits. I can't remember, it's been a few years, but I think it's got a chip in here, so we're going to cut open and have a look. There's a little disc in there. That's what's inside it. A little wee coil of copper. And it looks like it says AH on that side, just there. That little thing there is connected to that copper. Interesting. Oh well, there you go. That's what's inside one of these. What are you looking at?